At saka nakikita ko sa sinasabi mo, each type, no, will require a certain level of sophistication or certification. In other words, hindi lang kahit basta kahit sino-sino ang pwedeng mag-offer nun. Siguro ikaw, ang dami mong pinag-aralan at mga certification na naidagdag or you really had to study for this, no, before you got your license, right?
Yes, we have to go to SEC. We have to take the exam. May aral
Oh,
talaga siya
mm,
bago ka maging CIS. May aral siya. May license siya,
mm,
like life insurance, there's two
yeah.
license.
Mm,
O, like this one, may licenses din siya.
mm.
Ganon. I
So,
also became an RFP, Registered Financial Planner.
mm,
I'm also an associate financial planner. I'm a chartered wealth planner. I'm a
nice.
legacy planner. I'm an
Oo.
estate because I have been doing this for the last 20 years. So,
Oh,
yon, ganon. Natutunan ko na and I'm always handling the people's money. Kumbaga,
mm.
I learn all of this from my clients' money.